Imagine earning money by simply editing short video clips. No product to sell, no inventory to manage, and no huge social following required. Just your creativity, some basic editing skills, and your phone or laptop. Welcome to WHOP Clipping, a new and underrated way to turn your content editing into a profitable income stream. If you've ever posted a reel or TikTok, this might be your new favorite side hustle. In today's digital age, content isn't just king, it's cash. Businesses and creators are constantly looking for short, viral videos that can spread across platforms. WHOP Clipping offers a unique opportunity to get paid for creating those videos. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert. Whether you're a beginner or a pro editor, this platform opens the door for you to monetize your creativity. What is WHOP Clipping? So what exactly is WHOP Clipping? It's a creator reward program launched by the digital marketplace WHOP. The goal? To let people like you and me earn money by making short form video content. Think TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. When your clips perform well, meaning they get engagement, views, and reach, WHOP pays you through their content rewards program. It's performance based, so the better your clips do, the more you can earn. Simple. Step-by-step guide. How to get start clipping. Getting started is easier than you think. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Head over to WHOP and create your free account. Step 2. Pick your niche. Are you into tech reviews, motivational content, funny podcast moments? Pick a lane that you enjoy and understand. That way, you'll stay consistent and your clips will feel authentic. Step 3. Source your content. Look for long-form content like YouTube videos, podcasts, or live streams that are open for clipping. WHOP has approved content partners you can use legally, or you can clip from creators who've opted into the program. Step 4. Time to edit. Use beginner-friendly tools like CapCut, VN Editor, or Adobe Premiere Pro. Focus on making your clips punchy, short, under 60 seconds, and visually engaging. Step 5. Upload your clips to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Make sure to tag the original creator, include relevant hashtags, and then submit your video to WHOP for monetization. Tips for success. Now here's where the difference is made. Success on WHOP Clipping isn't about luck. It's about smart content creation. Follow these tips. Tip 1. Use engaging hooks. Start your videos with a bold question, shocking fact, or emotional moment. The first 3 seconds decide if someone scrolls or stays. Tip 2. Be consistent. Post regularly. Set a schedule. Even 3 to 5 clips a week can build momentum. Tip 3. Focus on quality. You don't need to post 10 times a day. One high quality, well edited, well captioned clip can outperform 10 rushed ones. Tip 4. Ride trends. Watch what's trending in your niche and create clips around that. It boosts visibility and helps your content catch fire. Bonus tip. Add subtitles. Most people scroll on mute. Text keeps them watching longer. Real world examples. People are already making money with WHOP Clipping. From students to freelancers, creators are earning real cash just by turning long form videos into short, viral content. One creator made over $500 in their first month just from 15 clips. The opportunity is real and growing. So are you ready to turn your editing skills into real income? Join WHOP Clipping today and start your journey to building a profitable digital side hustle. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more ways to make money online.